Oh, it's been a while since I've done an actual video. I've just been doing shorts. So today we are going to work on my own car, and we are going to do the tracker rod ends. I haven't got a wheel aligning tool or whatever. Make sure that the wheel is completely straight, and then we can go from there. So now that the wheel is off, I already put some lubricant in there, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna wire brush it. And 0.8. One, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 21. There was a problem with the, obviously with the, could see earlier. I just used the angle grinder, 1.5, and then that's it. As you can see here, it was already with a big hole. This doesn't pass on AMOT. I don't have to use an angle grinder, and that's it, guys. So I went to start on this side because I really thought it was bad, but if you guys can see, it's perfect. So as they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is not broken. It's not brittle yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. That's it, guys. It's just, you know, the MOT is going to be soonish, like October I think. So I've got like 2 months or so. So I wanted to do this job while it's sunny, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as it is though. That's it. I'm gonna take the car for a test drive to see how good my alignment works. You know, I mean, obviously the road is going to the side, so I'm trying. See. Hey, it's good. Look at that. Look at the steering wheel, straight.